Wa min ayatihi an khalaqalakum min anfusikum azwajan litaskunu ilaiha wa ja'ala bainakum mawaddatan wa rahmah inna fi dzalika laayatin liqaumin yatafakkarun.
I couldn't speak in that very moment. I found the one and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white.
Aku bersaksi bahwa tidak ada Tuhan selain Allah, dan aku bersaksi bahwa Nabi Muhammad adalah utusan Allah.
What we have is time.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Eka Suryawan.
Ya,
Saya nikahkan engkau dengan anak perempuan saya, Atik Haryati, dengan mas kawin berupa uang 293.700 rupiah dibayar tunai.
saya terima nikahnya Atik Haryati binti Sunarto dengan mas kawin yang tersebut.
As long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sigot taklid. Sesudah akad nikah saya, Eka Suryawan bin Suparmin, berjanji dengan sesungguh hati bahwa saya akan menepati kewajiban saya sebagai seorang suami, dan akan saya pergauli istri saya bernama Atik Haryati binti Sunarto dengan baik, muasyarah bil ma'ruf.
And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go, and I'll walk her down the aisle. She looks so